me that pulls beneath the surface, consuming, confusing.
What?
This lack of self-control I fear is never ending, controlling. I can't seem to find myself again. My walls are closing in.
Not a sense of confidence. I'm convinced that there's just too much pressure to take.
I felt this way before, so insecure. Crawling in my skin, these wounds they will not heal. Fear is how I fall, confusing what is real. Discomfort endlessly has pulled itself upon me, distracting, reacting. Against my will I stand beside my own reflection. It's haunting how I can't seem to find myself again. My walls are closing in.
Not a sense of confidence. I'm convinced that there's just too much pressure to take.
I felt this way before, so insecure.
You broke.
They're whacking.
Motherfucker! That's not how you call in the Sasquatch. This is apparently how you call Sasquatches in Escanaba, Michigan. One more time. Is that like a royal taking a shit or calling in some fucking Sasquatch? That's something that should come out of the fucking two-holer, not your fucking mating call for Sasquatches.
I'll tell you, take a goddamn UP shit right there.
I don't know, he had this fucking 6-foot stick for calling a Sasquatch in. He hit it 6 times and it ended up being 1 foot long. I don't know, this... I'm starting to doubt
every fucking time.
I'm really starting to doubt the calling of the mating Sasquatches, because it sounds like someone's taking a shit and he's busting his stick up. So that's a far cry from calling a Sasquatch in. So yeah, I'm back to the fire because failure all the way around. Matt, how does the Sasquatch say it again?
Big piece of steel.
How does the Sasquatch say it?
I don't know.
Come on. That must have been a slippery turd. Again, that should be something in the outhouse, not a mating call.